Hi everyone, it's Angela from Cloudfetti, and today I'm sharing how to make a kawaii pumpkin out of polymer clay. So to start out, I have a medium-sized ball of orange clay, and I'm just very gently pressing the top of it with my finger to make it sort of into an oval shape. Then I'm using my needle tool to press 2 lines on the top of the ball so that it makes a cross. And then just continuing the lines all the way down the sides. So now that I have 4 sections on the ball, I'm pressing a line in between each of them so that I've got 8 sections. And then just using a small ball tool to press an indent in the top of the pumpkin. So now I have a small ball of beige clay, and I'm rolling one side into a teardrop shape. And cutting off the thinner end so that I have a sort of stump with the thicker end. Then for a leaf, I have some light green clay, and I'm gently pressing it with my finger into a disc. Then pinching one side into a point so that it looks like a watermelon seed. Then just using a needle tool to draw a line down the center. Next up, to make a curly little tendril, I have a tiny ball of the same green, and to make it a really thin snake, I'm rolling it out on a piece of paper just because it helps grip the clay. And then just going to pick it up and curl it around a toothpick. And then I'm going to bake it using my package's instructions. And then when it's cooled down completely, I'm just going to slide it off the toothpick and it will look like a little spring. So now because the tendril has been baked, it won't stick to raw clay, so I'm squeezing on a small amount of bacon bond. And then just going to add the stem to the pumpkin, and then the tendril, and then the leaf. So now it's time to add the face, so I'm using a dotting tool to poke holes for the eyes to go. And adding in little balls of black. And a tiny U shape for the mouth. Then for the cheeks, I'm pressing on some tiny balls of light pink. and then just inserting an eye pin to turn it into a charm. And I'm going ahead and fully baking it using my package's instructions. And then lastly, once everything's cooled down completely, I'm securing the eye pin with some super glue. And that's all for this tutorial. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up and subscribe for more. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye!